Hello, lovely people. My name is Solomon, and welcome to another video from S.I.T. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Excel, how to do simple arithmetic calculations on Excel, how to do simple arithmetic calculations in Excel. Now, if you are a new beginner, this is your channel. If you are a new user, you've never used Excel before, this is the tutorial for you. Now I'm going to show you step by step how to use it. I'm not going to give you a general view of Excel, but we are going to learn all you need to know as we go on in the tutorial. If you are the first time viewer of this channel, or if this is your first time on this channel, I implore you, please click on the subscribe button and share the video with your family and friends. Click on the like buttons and leave a comment. If you don't understand something, leave a comment. I'll personally get back to you and give you extra explanation of whatever you need as a beginner. Now let's get into the video and I'll show you how to use simple things. Okay. Now over here it's a list that I've created that we are going to use to do our calculations. So this is an assumed sales data, so days of the week and then some of the months. So it is assumed that on Monday, January, whichever day is just data, this was the sales. So the days up to the end, these are all sales: February sales, March sales, April sales, May, June, July sales. Now, as a business owner, or if you are preparing this report for your boss, we would love to know the total of every month. So to calculate the total of every month is very simple to do in Excel. So to calculate the sum of all this, you just highlight all the numbers up to the end here. Then you go to the right end of your screen, you see an auto sum icon. Just click on it and that is it. That is your total. And I can drag this all the way here and click on the result and then drag it all the way here. It gives me the total of every field, just like that. So that is how simple it is to do your totals in Excel. Very simple. So just by dragging, it has calculated every field for me. I can go ahead and highlight it. Just select all and then I come up here and then I click on the bold icon. I also make it bigger by increasing the font. And that is your total. So simple, so simple, so simple, so simple. Let's say you want to see the difference between, you want to compare maybe two of the fields. So I can do this, set an empty screen. I want to compare, I want to see the difference between January and February sales. So I can say difference. So I want to see the difference between this and this. So that means you need to subtract. So you do an equal to, and then you select the first field. And then I minus from the second field I want to use. And once I'm done, you press the enter key. So that will give you the subtraction of this and that. So if I want it for all the rest of the values, I just drag it downwards. Exactly. Now I realize that all the values are I realize that all the values are in negative, so which means the sales from February is greater than the fills from January. So I can just go to back to my formula, and then I can interchange the value. So over here I can do equal to this minus this. I press the enter key and I drag it down. I will drag it down to here. So give me the difference between the two. So that is how you do some of the very simple. If it's division you want to do the same thing. If you want to do multiplication, the same thing. I'll show you a very simple stock. If you want to keep stock in your shop, you want to keep it in stock in your shop. These are some items I've listed down. So over here I have products, and the next one is the cost price. I have selling price, then I have quantity that I have in the shop. Now I want to be able to calculate the balance quantity when somebody buys an item. So I'm going to show you a very simple way of formulating this formula. We will do quantity sold, and then we will also do profit. We want to see how much profit we are making when we sell any item. So let's look at it. So first I'm going to calculate the balance quantity. Anytime somebody buys an item and I enter, let's say somebody has bought 2 of this and I enter 2, immediately I should see the balance here, quantity here, and then also I should see the profit I'm making on sales. Now the total profit. So now to do the balance, that will be the first thing we do. We come here to the balance field and then we press the equal. Now to do the balance, it means when somebody buys 2, the 2 will be deducted from the total quantity so that we can get the balance. So it will be total quantity minus quantity sold. Then I hit the enter key. So you see, 2 bought, total quantity is 10, 2 bought, will be left with 8. So that is so simple. So all I need to do is to just drag this to the bottom, and then anytime somebody buys and I enter it, example, if I enter that somebody has bought 10, see, immediately it changes to 40. So it means it's working. Now if I want to calculate profit I'm making. So profit simply is simply is that I bought the thing at 350 and I'm selling it for 400. So I'm making a profit of 10 each time I sell one of this. So what I can do to get my profit is, so if I sold 2, how much profit am I making? So I can just do that and subtract this from this to get the profit per unit, and then I'll multiply by this to get my profit per quantity sold. I hope you get it. So I come here the same way, press my equal to sign, and then I subtract the selling price from the cost price, and then I multiply by the total quantity sold. That should give me my profit. So press the enter key. I think there's something wrong with this, because this is 50. So let's look at the formula again. So maybe I can put these two in a bracket. See how it works. And that is it. So I have to separate it. Subtraction, put it in a bracket so that it will calculate the subtraction first before multiplying. So that is my profit. So I can just drag this down to this place. See, I haven't made any profit yet. I've made some loss here. I come here and I said I've sold one item. Present, like you see, my profit comes immediately. Some other fun things you can do. You can also color your fields to look different. So I can highlight all of them and I can give it a color. Highlight balance. I can make it red. And also profit green. Yeah, some live coming here there, change the color of the font. So these are a few things that we can do. We can expand it. If I want to get a total profit, I just drag down and then I hit my auto sum. So that's total profit. If I want quantity sold, I can just add all, click on my auto sum. It's that simple. So this is something you can start with. Do simple calculation. Now, these are some more things you can do. So this is it. Total quantity sold and profit are made. So anytime you sell something and you add it, you say, let's say you bought how many total quantity? Let's say you bought 100, and I enter how my profits did. Everything calculates automatically. You can use this to manage your small shop. If you don't have money to buy a software, and just use this to manage your shop. Everything will work fine. Later on, look at some other ways that we can improve upon this. Like when the quantity is getting finished, we can put some highlights in it and then see how it goes. So this ends the lesson for today. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Click on the like button as well, and also share the video so that your friends and families can watch as well to learn. Excel is easy to learn, and you don't need to even go to school. You don't need to pay any more money for this. Just let me know if you like the tutorial so I can make more videos like this, teaching you different aspects of Excel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.